What? What? Are you videotaping this? Yeah, what the fuck?
How cold is it?
It's fucking freezing. Fucking
We got our
Hot chocolate.
Mhm.
and we are on our way home in this fucking blizzard.
Snowy ass fucking weather. Wishing it was 75 fucking degrees.
Thank God I have boots on. John has Converse Chucks. His feet are cold. Mine aren't. I think it's funny. Here we go. There's our apartment building. We're almost home. Ugh. I'm falling in and out of the snow here. There's so much snow. How much snow is there, John?
Oh no, I'm just levitating above the snow.
You're levitating?
I'm levitating above the snow. If you're thinking I'm just floating above the snow.
John is levitating. You heard it here.
Fuck you.
In the 2011 snow blizzard in Alton, John is levitating.
I'm fucking levitating. On the snow.
On our way home. There's our shadows. Wave hi. And goodbye.